spoiled.
You got it in between gears a little, or what? You can be spoiled. That's okay. That's where I got the bicycles. There's some new stuff out. They set one table up to put those, whatever that is.
Question. What's the switch for?
What? One is to choose the horn, and the other one is to blow the horn.
Oh.
I guess the battery's dead.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. Let's see. Yep.
Okay.
I think it recharges.
Oh, okay.
I don't know.
Okay.
No big deal.
Oh,
Yell.
okay.
Go beep beep.
Oh, okay. Oh, all right.
Actually, this is the horn. So is it unplugged? No. That's for the horn switch. This is for the speedometer. Doesn't work. Okay.
Hey, we got wood here.
Oh. 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 Road tail. I feel no sorrow when I see a chipmunk dead in the road. Now, you see up ahead between the brush up there? There's a hole. You can go through there and ride all the way around that field, but there's a place to get in over by the middle school. But they put all these signs up. I don't know if the village did. They don't look like they look like someone bought it at the hardware store. You're not, the signs that say no motorcycles, dirt bikes, whatever, that's like, if you want to call it a professional. Oh. 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 Woo! Oh. 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 No. I was just kind of checking it out. Oh, look at this guy lost the tree. Oh. 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 Okay, the no trespassing sign is gone. We could go down there because see, it says no motorized vehicles.
Oh yeah, that's what
We are not vehicles.